The seated good morning is an exercise that is used to build strength and flexibility in the hips, lower back and hamstrings. It's such a good exercise for building strength and flexibility that you don't need very much weight at all to get the benefits from it. In fact, the key isn't moving weight, the key is range of movement. The range of movement here is king. Eventually, you want to be getting your belly button onto the bench in the bent leg version. In the straight leg version that I'll show you quickly at the end, the idea is to eventually go past parallel. This is more for training your pancake, that kind of thing, so your straddle fold. So you place the barbell on your back or just a stick, because you might not even need a barbell. Now you place it slightly lower as if you're doing a low bar squat, so it's lower than you would for a normal back squat. So it's across the back of your shoulders, not up at your traps. Now you begin to lean forward, but the movement should come from your hips. So you shouldn't be rounding your lower back to lean forward, because that's just asking for trouble. So you keep leaning forward as far as you can until you feel that you're about to break form and start rounding your back. From there, you lift back to a start position, and all the time, keep those glutes engaged so you're pulling those knees out. So as I said, there's a couple of versions. If you're just doing standard powerlifting or anything like that, the seated good morning, perfectly fine. You don't need to go any further than that. That will get you where you need to be, and it'll give you your flexibility and range of movement needed for your sport. But things like gymnastics or dance or anything like that there, I'd recommend working through the seated version with bent legs and moving on to the straight leg version. So it's not just building the strength. When you get to a certain point, it's really working the strength in that extreme range of movement to pull yourself back up. So give them a go and let me know how you get on with them.